Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at these pants here from Woolen Prints, which are the stretch canvas pants made from 285 GSM fabric, 55% merino wool and 41% elastane and 4% spandex. Now these are the Castle Rock and these are the size 32, so generally I wear a 31, 32, sometimes 34 depending on the stretchiness and the cut of the pants. I think these are quite a tight or a slim fitting pant. When I first put these on, I could immediately feel that this area around the thighs is quite a bit tighter than like the legs and the upper part here, as you can see. However, one of the features of these pants is because of that elastic material, they are extremely stretchy, as you can see here. So there's quite a lot of stretch in these. They almost feel like yoga pants in a way, you know, they're so stretchy. So even though these areas are a little bit, like they feel a little bit tight when I'm wearing them, it doesn't feel restricted when I'm wearing them. Somehow it kind of hugs the thighs in this size, but that doesn't make them restrictive, it just makes you aware that you're kind of wearing them. I guess in the same way if you wear gym pants or yoga pants. So as you can see, they are very stretchy, and these are quite a long inseam as well, so I've just folded up the ends here. But they are the standard kind of cut for a pair of pants, or like a jean style. So they have these pockets here. You can see they go down to about here. They have a coin pocket here which goes to here. They have threaded loops for a belt, standard rear pockets, and again it's very stretchy and very nice. Alright, so these are the size 34 and this is the black color. So they actually only come in the grey Castle Rock and the black, which I'm wearing here. So this one doesn't feel quite as restricted through the thigh area. It's again just as stretchy, it doesn't feel restrictive. This one doesn't hug quite as much, but I can feel there's quite a stretch in the waist, and the inseam again, as you can see here, is quite a bit longer. But do let me know in the comments what you think, which one you think fits best, the 34 or the 32. So the 32, although it feels a little tighter in the thighs, it actually isn't restrictive, but these ones don't feel quite as tight in the thighs. But again, they might look slightly baggy, so it depends on the kind of sizing that you want to go for. So again, these are the size 34 in the black color. So because they do have that merino wool content in them, they are quite breathable, and they would be quite good to wear in warmer weather as well as in cooler weather. So I think in cooler weather these would be quite insulating, so you wouldn't feel quite as cold as another pair of pants. But in the summer they do breathe quite well as well. So let's do a quick water test here. As you can see, it's very water repellent. The water just beads right off, so you won't need to worry about them getting wet in the rain. But if it does eventually get saturated through, they do dry very quickly. So that was it, a quick look at these here, which are the canvas stretch pants from Woolen Prints. Do let me know in the comments which of these two colors and sizes you thought fit best or looks best. Be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.